Hello. Hello, good afternoon, ma. Am I audible now? Hello. So next, create a database by the name sample. Create a database by the name sample. How to create the database, ma? Hello. How to create the database? Create database name. So what is the database name here? Sample. Then put a semicolon. Then execute. Click on execute button. A new database by the name sample is created. Then next question, create a table by the name student and make the student ID as primary key. Create a table by the name student and make student ID as primary key. How to create the table, ma? Create table name. Here the table name is student. Then student ID int primary key. So don't allow null values, not null. The comma. Student name. Student name which data type? Student name is of n varchar of size 30, not nulls. So don't allow null values, not null. Then student department. Student department is of data type n varchar. Size is also 20. We'll take here, not null. Then again close the bracket, select. Control C, we'll execute this. Control V. How to execute this? Just select and click on execute. See, command completed successfully. How to insert the values in the student table? How to insert the values? Are you all able to hear me, ma?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, insert the values. How to insert? Insert into table name. Here the table name is, what is the table name here? Student. Insert into student. What are the columns here? Student ID, student name, student department. These are the column names. Yes. Then next, values. So specify the values here. Student ID 1, student name Raj, department is CSC. Put a semicolon here. Select the query. execute. The one row affected. If you want to add add more rows, just copy this, select and copy, then paste here, change the values to Sam IT department. IT. Okay. Here also you can change. Here 3 CSC department. Just select the queries, execute. See, 2 rows have added at a time. Then how to select? How to display the table? Select star from
Table name student.
table name is student. Then see, student details have appeared here. Create database faculty. Faculty database we will create. Okay, create database faculty. Then execute. Command completed successfully. Here database is, just refresh here. A new database by the name faculty is added. How to delete this database? How to drop this database, ma? How to drop faculty database? Using query. Drop database name. Okay. See, command completed successfully. Here refresh this databases folder. See, now here faculty database is missing. Then how to delete the table? How to delete the table? How to delete the table graphically? How to delete databases graphically? Just select this database, right click, delete. Just click on OK. See, database is deleted. How to delete the table? Just select the table, right click, delete. Then select, click on OK. This table is deleted. In this way, graphically, we can delete database and table. Is it clear, ma? How to rename a
Yes,
database?
yes, madam. Yes.
How to rename a database here? How to rename the database, ma? Query. Alter database, old database name. What is the old database name here? Honey.
Student.
Here is an Honey, Lenovo, sample 2. These are the database name. Honey. Then next, modify name. Modify name equals to change honey to happy. Then execute. First here honey database is there. Now it will change to happy. Just execute. The database name happy has been set. Here refresh. See, happy. Honey database name is changed to happy. Then see here font, how to increase or decrease the font sizes in SQL Server. Font size. just go to tools, then options. See here, fonts and colors. Here default colors are there. Whichever text color you want, you can select. Here size is this. If we select smaller size, it will display the text in small, see, very smaller form, which is not visible. Okay. Then how to increase the size? Just go to tools, options, here fonts and colors, here size. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you can increase. Just click OK. Text is available in font size is increased here. Is it clear, ma? How to increase the font size?
Yes, yes, madam.
Colors also, if you want to change the color, you can select tools, options, then default is there, no? And select the color as red and click on OK. See, first it will display in red. Select star from employee like this. In red color it will come. In this way you can change the color also. Just select tools, then options. Here default color will set. Click on OK. Is it clear, ma? In this happy database, which tables are present? Employee table is not there. In sample database, employee table is there. Here we'll set the database as sample here. Here it is displaying happy database. Now we'll change the happy to sample. It is not responding. Okay, change here from happy to sample database. Or else how to change the database name there? Just you write here use sample. If you write in the query window use sample, then it will use automatically the sample database. Use sample. Use sample. Execute. Command, see here. Before it was displaying happy. Now it is displaying sample database. Yes or no? Directly
Yes,
from
yes, madam.
we can change from here, or else you can write the database name here. In this way we can select. Create table. How to insert the values here? Insert into table name student, student ID, student name, student department. Values, okay, what are the values here? Student ID is 1. Then student name is of characters, so put it in the First, 1 second, ma. I'm receiving one call. So student name is any name you can give. Then department. Department is CSC. Put a semicolon. In the same way, if we want to add how many rows, we can add. The next, select star from employee. Then execute. See, employee table will contain how many columns, ma? What are the columns present in employee table? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee age, employee gender, employee department. If I want to add one more column as employee address, how to add? If I want to add one more column as employee address, how to add this? How to add the column?
Update, ma'am.
One more column. See how many columns are there here? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee age, employee gender, employee department. Then
Six columns.
yeah, one more column I want to add, employee address. How to add that?
Add column name.
Alter, no, wrong. Alter table, employee, add e-address, add e-address, and varchar, 30. The size of that is 30. Then execute, select and execute. Command completed successfully. Okay, command completed successfully. Then next what we need to do, just select star from table name. What is the table name? Employee. Then execute. See, one column by the name employee address is added. Okay. For existing table, if you want to add this command will use. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Then how to delete this? I have added, but now I don't require this column. How to delete? I added one employee address column. Now I don't require it. How to delete, ma? How to delete, ma? Just same alter table employee drop column.
E-address.
Yeah, column name e-address. Okay. Then what to do? Just select the query and execute. Why it is showing error? Your spelling is wrong. EDD address. Control A, then execute. Command completed successfully. Then again select star from employee. Then execute. See, address column has been deleted now. Yes or no? In this way, we can add or delete the column for an existing table. So what is the comment here? How to add a table? To add a column to the existing table. How to add ma? Alter table.
Alter table.
Table name is what here? Employee.
Employee.
Add address n varchar size. Okay, then execute. Then how to delete? To delete any specific, please mute. Who is that? Specific column from an existing table. Specific column from an existing table. Alter table employee, drop column address, then execute. Execute. Is it clear ma till here? Is it clear? How to change the font size, how to add a column to the existing table, how to delete a column, how to drop a database, how to rename a database. Okay, all the basics which we are discussed already. Please watch all the videos for beginners from whatever the topics we have discussed. From that only they'll ask the questions. Okay, no need to worry. If you are perfect in the notes or the subject whichever I taught you the topics, easily you can get the job as beginners. Okay ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the best for your careers. Okay, just all the videos are available now. From starting, watch once again. If you have any doubts, you can easily ask me. Okay, feel free to ask me. I'll explain once again. No problem. Okay, all the best for your.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.